Hello, everyone. Welcome to our State Leadership Conference workshop on color theory.
In this workshop, we will explore some of our favorite colors and how they best represent us.
The colors that we wear, see, and surround ourselves with have an implicit impact on the way we think and an explicit impact on the way we behave.
Today, as we take you through some of our own favorite colors, we want you to take the time to look around you, into your rooms and houses, and see what are the most common colors that you surround yourselves with.
Pause this video, take a look around your room, and note the two most common colors.
Now that you have these colors in mind, let's delve into some of what your state officers love to see every day. My favorite color is red. It became my favorite color because as a baby, a lot of the small things I received from my family were red. Red is a very auspicious color in Chinese culture. And growing up in a family that celebrated lots of Chinese culture, I grew very attached to this color. Those who like the color red prove to be determined risk takers. For me, the color red embodies qualities of enjoying challenges and being very task-oriented. And I love high-pressure situations, especially when I'm in a time crunch. What does the color red mean to you?
Green holds a very special place for me in my heart. One of the first memories I have ever is of my green blanket. Knitted for me 7 days before my birth by my grandma. It has lived with me for my entire life, but unfortunately not grown. I find green all around me, in the grass that I walk on to go to school every day, the phone case that I use on a day-to-day basis. To me, green has always symbolized new beginning and rebirth, new opportunities that can be explored. A color that speaks to growth that we achieve each passing moment. What does green mean to you?
From the color of my room's wall to the sheets I sleep in every day, blue has always surrounded me. Blue makes up a third of my wardrobe, and being surrounded by a color that symbolizes tranquility and stability has always prompted exactly that. One of my favorite things to do when I go to the beach or I'm in an open field is just lie down and gaze at the blue sky, stress-free and worryless. It exudes a sense of calmness that creates a balance with my active and energetic side. What does blue mean to you?
Thank you for tuning into our workshop today. We hope you had the time to look around you, learn a little bit more about the implicit messaging, color, tones, and styles sent about who you are as a person, the values that are most important to you. And we hope these are important takeaways you can apply to your day-to-day life to add a little bit more color to your everyday experiences.